Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink and the forum backlink. So the website name is forum reclamove.com. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So before this started we can research something about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 27, and according to Moj, they don't have data they don't have enough data for this site. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 1.7k monthly visits and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Poland, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider for this site for your backlinking. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will convert this website language into English. This is a Polish website, and after that you can click on the registration button and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. There you can add your username, and again we can convert this website language, and there you guys will choose your password. There you guys will choose your confirmation email, and you can verify the security question. Let me refresh once. How many months are there in a year? So 12. And after that you can click on the complete your registration. So our account is successfully created. So after this site will send you the verification email. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So you guys will check your Gmail box. Yeah, so I received, and you can click on the first link, and our profile is successfully verified. So after that there is a two option to you can navigate using the user panel or your username. So you can click on this anyone, and after that you can click on the edit profile button, and if you wanting, so there you can select your year, and there you can add your website URL, so DML training, and there you can add your country, and in the about me section there you can add a company description or your profile description. Once you guys will complete these things, so after that you can click on the update profile button. Then again after that you can click on the change avatar button, and from there you guys will update your profile picture, and you can click on the change avatar. So our profile picture is successfully updated. After that you can click on the your username, and you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is a instant approved backlink username, this is a company description, and our website URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So we have successfully created our profile backlink on this website, and now the time is we can publish one thread, any threads. How we can publish a forum backlink on this site? So simply you can click on the logo button, and you can navigate on the home page, and after that you can select any of threads, and you can see there is write a thread button. You can click on this, and in the topic section there you can add your topic question. So suppose that, let me pick what is profile. So only for this video creation I'm just doing this DML training, and you guys will add some description about your question. And if you wanting to insert your website URL any targeted keyword, so firstly you can select your keyword, and after that you can click on the link insert icon, and there you can paste your website URL and you can click on the insert button. So we have successfully created, and after that you can click on the write a thread button. So you can see this is your forum landing page URL, and this is a backlink, but this is a no follow backlink. The thing is, we have created a profile backlink and the forum backlink on this website. So this is a process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details for the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.